Okay, Paul, what's happening today?
Okay, so today we're replacing these stock sway bar and links with these longer ones and adjustable. So we'll adjust the length to be so half of the amount of lift. So basically we have a 2-inch lift. So we'll make this 1 inch longer than this, but only after we take it out and we measure it. And so how we're going to do this is very simple.
Before you explain that, why are you doing this?
Okay, why? Because at the moment, because we have some extended travel suspension here, those shocks. So the wheel goes down, the whole axle goes down much more than what it was, and more than what this can handle. So this, once the whole axle is down at the max, when the max suspension travel, basically, the sway bar will be really like at an angle like this, and it's trying to pull more down, but it can't. So at the moment, this is limiting the wheel travel. Okay. The suspension travel. And the problem with that is that this is not very strong. As you can see, it's not designed to be limiting factor for this suspension travel. So the way this is going, if I've got one wheel all the way up and one wheel all the way down, one of them might break or bend. And on top of that, it's putting unnecessary strain on those bolt joints, especially this one. Well, actually both, because even this will come out. The thing will come like this. Anyway, so this is.
And what's the procedure? So you're gonna remove the wheel, or you're just gonna change it?
No, I think we have enough space to do it where it is without removing anything. And because both wheels are, the axle is level. So really, there's not much. The sway bar itself is not pulling. So we shouldn't even need to lift the car, to jack up the car. Okay. But because they have, if it's like the front, and I'm sure it is, the rubber bushings
gonna push down
they try to bring the sway bar up or down by some amount, which is not very strong. But for that reason, when we might have to lift a wheel at a time, maybe, but it's not.
Can you show the aftermarket one?
Yeah, this is it. So basically, one thread is normal and one is reverse. So what happens is that once it's on, you can still adjust it by just turning this, and you see as I'm turning, the thing is getting longer because both threads here are so you can adjust it while it's installed, and once you have the required length, then you just tighten those two nuts. And of course the thread there's a little bit too much paint on the thread here, so anyways, with the tool you tighten those to prevent it from moving anymore. Once you've adjusted to the right length.
And it looks a little bit sturdier and beefier than the stock one.
Yeah, not too sure about that, because really, I mean, this is hollow, of course. So basically, you see the diameter of the bolt here is about the same as the diameter of the stock sway bar. I don't think it's any stronger. It's just adjustable.
It's just longer.
So it's just longer. So that's all we need.
Okay, let's do it. Now we got the OEM and the one. So
this is 15 point something, 15.1 centimeters. So we need to add 1 inch, so 17.6. Okay?
Yeah.
Hold on, I need a flat.
you're looking for first place. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay, it was okay. So that's
So you're gonna adjust it to 3 more centimeters than the stock.
yes, 7. Wow, I said 15.1, right?
Yeah.
So I just need 17 point. Yeah, it's actually 15.2, so 17.7. I'm already way more than that. There you go. Yeah, that seems okay.
So it's done. Took about 45 minutes. The extended sway bar for 2.5 extended travel king shock suspension.